which theory of learning emphasizes the importance of students constructing their own understanding through hands-on activities and interaction with their environment. Is it A, humanism, B, utilitarianism, letter C, pragmatism, or letter D, constructivism? Napaka-obvious ng ating hint through hands-on activities and pangatlo, interaction with their environment. Ang tumpak na sagot po natin, hindi po humanism. Dahil pag sinabi natin humanism, it focuses on the whole person, personal growth, and self-actualization. Hindi rin po letter B. Dahil ito po ay a moral philosophy that focuses on consequences and the greatest good. Hindi rin po letter C. Dahil it is a values learning through experience. Ngunit ang tumpak na sagot po natin, constructivism. So, ang dami nating hint, constructing their own understanding through hands-on activities and interaction with their environment that we learn by constructing knowledge in our minds. So, sa board examination, kung nakita na natin itong constructing knowledge in our minds, huwag na magpatumpik-tumpik pa. Constructivism na po kaagad ang hinahanap na sagot.